Join Harvey.
You know, I don't want to say no. You know, I don't want to close the door permanently. Pero siguro now, and in the near future po, siguro hindi po muna. Because right now I'm very much focused on building a career and a diverse set of roles na I'm proud of.
Okay.
And you know, this is my work as an actor. I think I've been doing this for more than I think I'm good at, which is acting. So that's where my head's at. But it's not a never. Maybe in the future, maybe when I'm more, siguro open. Siguro not now. But who knows? Yeah.
Jello, ikaw, would you be open?
Parang hirap ng tanong na yun, pero ako ngayon, why not? Kasi kung
Bakit mahirap?
kumbaga, i-ready mo talaga sarili mo dyan mentally eh. Kasi hindi naman yung normal na ginagawa mo everyday na may phone, mga kasama mo sa buhay, ganyan. Pero ako, kung makakabuting way naman to para ipakilala ko yung sarili ko and my group PGYO, why not?
Dalawang big winner kasama nyo. Angie and Brento, di ba?
Okay.
Dalawang. So kung kailangan nyo ng tips, yan lang, kausapin nyo lang yung dalawa. Jella, would you be open? Ayun, hingi ka ng tips sa kabilang side.
Parang, when I think about it now, kasi parang malabo.
Okay.
Because if, let's say the next season, I can join because I'm currently in med school now. So, I don't really have the time na kailangan for that. Like,
Right.
being isolated or, yeah. So, right now, no. But in the future, we don't know.
That's right.
I don't know. Maybe. Yes.
Si Chris, si Annalyn before I go to Krista.
If given the chance, yes, I wouldn't say no to it because it's such a big opportunity. Maybe for the second batch of the collab, third time's the charm, you know? And this is gonna be the third time I'm gonna be auditioning for PBB.
Oh.
So, tingnan natin.
Okay.
But if it's really not meant for me, I'm not gonna push for it because I know there's so much more opportunities outside the house.
Okay. I pray for your happy heart. Crystal.
Siguro for now po, no, not yet. I already tried po for the most recent collab. And I think it was a sign that I wasn't put in. And I think that's okay because right now I'm in first year college. I'm trying to pursue that and I have other projects going on for me. So I'll just focus on those for now.
So, may nagpo-focus kasi sa school, no? Si Jella sa kasi Crystal. Okay. Lalayo na yung mic sa akin sa pinapunchline ko na si Annalyn. Kate Adahar will ask that.
My question is for Angie. Can you describe yung four bad boys na naka-work mo as workmates?
As workmates, you know what? First of all, ito yung similarities ng lahat. Sorry na ha, nabubulol. But yung similarities ng the four bad boys, well, I am stepping out on my zone, in my comfort zone, in my bubble. I wasn't afraid to go out because they make me comfortable. Kasi ang bilis nilang katrabaho, ang gaan nilang kasama, and then there's this parang energy na it's just really attractive and it's really warm na it makes me feel like although na I'm working, it makes me feel like, you know, I'm hanging out with my friends na parang feeling ko talaga estudyante din ako, feeling ko din talaga na parang si Derek Dalugaw.
Thank you. And for Direk, consecutively po kasi naka-work nyo sa mga recent projects nyo or veteran actors, ganyan. So, ano po yung naging advantage or fun part na maka-work ang mga newbies?
Ayun, actually yun ay mahilig ako iba-iba eh. And it's really refreshing when you're working with new actors. I have projects na mga bago. Actually, yun nga, challenge sa akin lagi na makadiscover ng bagong mga artista, tapos put them in character. Kasi talaga, sa start ang nagpapasikat sa artista yung character eh. Di ba? Di ba, maski sa book, di ba, nababasa yung character ganon. So it's really a challenge and it's fun for me na yung mga artista na to. And may intention talaga kami ng yung ABS had an intention for this project. They wanted a new batch of leading men and women. I think we're gonna achieve it eh. Kita nyo naman, di ba? This is the next, di ba? This is the next generation and I'm happy to be part of it.
Thank you po. Thank you, MJ.
Ay, sorry, nakikipag-checkahan ako dito sa likod. Kasama ang team ng YouTube, ABS-CBN YouTube Entertainment. Kate, salamat. Si Chris ng One Music ang magtatanong.
Hi, kay Angie. Yung sa
It's okay lang po.
It's a balance between being a singer and being an actress. Gaano katimbang yung both fields sa'yo and also and at the same time tanong ko na rin as an actress ano yung parang goals mo na nasa bucket list mo?
Nasa bucket list ko is to make a lot of mistakes because that's where I'll learn. And I am the kind of person who really loves to learn and who really loves to parang be good at my field. At saka hindi natin malalaman kung saan tayo mag-i-improve kung hindi tayo magkakamali.
Tama.
So yeah.
Kay
parang ready si Angie sa mga pageant answers tonight.
And kay Jello naman, can we expect more acting gigs from you in the future? And also, based on your experience and also, yun lang pala.
Actually, pwede ko na rin idagdag dyan si Jella because this is the first time that Jella's acting. So, we start with Jello first. Jello and Jella, no? Jello, can we expect more acting projects now that you've experienced acting?
Ako po, simula pa rin nung una, isa to sa mga pangarap ko. And if given a chance na magkaroon ulit ako ng project, syempre tatanggapin natin.
Jella, ikaw naman.
Same with Jello, if merong opportunity, then why not? Pero if hindi kaya, hindi naman pipilitin. But yeah, open to opportunities.
Love team.
Ako?
Hindi, ako. May nag-react ng facial expression dito sa gilid eh. Oh. Okay.
Thanks guys.
Meron ko sa second question, wala na. You're good? Okay. Si Jay of Certified Kapamilya. Jay, are you here? Jay, okay Jay, andyan ka. Ikaw na. Nakalimutan mo yung tanong mo. O sige, ako na. For Angie, it is generally believed that girls find bad boys more attractive than the good boys. Actually, magandang tanong natin yan sa lahat ng girls. Yes. Do you find bad boys more attractive?
I think yes. In my personal experience, I would say yes, because there's something about the bad boys. They don't know they're sexy. They don't know they're handsome. Kasi yung mga good... Okay, sorry I find the bad boys sexy.
Parang gigil na si Angie
Wait! Let me explain.
Okay.
Kasi yung mga good boys they know they're cute. They know they're guwapo. But then, if bad boys kasi di sila namamansin ng iba. Pag yung may gusto sila, yung gusto lang nila yung pinapansin.
So you kinda like the chase?
Yeah.
Crystal, do you find bad boys attractive?
I mean, yes po, as long as he has a good heart. Kasi nasa loob yun eh. But you know, if his aura is very bad boy.
Yung parang bad boy sa iba, pero sa'yo, good boy.
Yes! Perfect.
Ganun pala. Annalyn, ikaw? Parang di naman. Pinunchline, wala pa.
Not really.
Not really.
I find medyo soft, feminine voice. Attractive more. Gusto ko yung mga cute, medyo bata-bata yung face. Mali.
Pinipicture namin yung itsura niya.
No po. Pwede po mauna na. Goodbye.
Bunot ka ngayon, Annalyn eh. Oo, bunot ka eh.
But, si Jella na.
Ito na, Jella.
Parang no.
Yeah! kinikilig na yung mga nandito sa press area. Jella, go.
Same kami ni Ayen na parang leaning more sa mga good boy looking. Or clean. Ay, di naman so dirty looking or
Ganito ba?
bad boys. Pero like, yung, neat looking pala. Yeah. And parang,
Gaya nino.
yeah.
Yeah!
Joke lang.
Soft launch. Charot. Next question is for Jello. This is your acting debut. Can you share with us how is your experience? So, gusto ko kinikilig